Hello, fellow humans. Here you can see a birch tree that I'm delivering back home. This was a birch that fell during a storm and blocked a road up by the hospital. So, it wasn't a tree I had to fell myself. I just had to buck it up, clear it off the road, and then we could haul it away and drive it home. And it was heavy, really damn heavy. It's full of water and it's tough. I mean, you'll definitely notice it when splitting. You really have to pull and tear at it, and the bark is as thick as, well, I don't know, it's like leather basically. But anyway, this is the one I'm splitting here today, so you guys get to watch a bit. And you'll also get to see me use the log lifter, the one I built in the last video. This is what I usually do when my back hurts. It becomes a bit like, what's the word, log football instead. I roll it forward so I don't have to bend down all the time and ruin my back. I do it like this, and then if I have the energy, I lift it onto the table, or I use the log lift. It saves my energy, saves my back, and allows me to keep going a bit longer.
What can you say when love goes away that hasn't been said before? I have no rhyme that's different this time. There's no words to sing anymore. I haven't a clue why you went away. I only know you are gone. And I sit alone, my heart by the phone, and so I just listen to rain as it falls to the ground and washes the day away. Nothing to show and no place to go, so here in my room I stay. I don't know that I could forget you, no matter how hard I try. I'm all alone, and honestly I don't know why. As it falls to the ground and washes the day away. Nothing to show and no place to go, so here in my room I stay. I don't know that I could forget you, no matter how hard I try. I'm alone, and honestly I cannot believe all the tears that I've cried. I'm all alone, and honestly I don't know why.
Just about done. It has been really hot in Europe this week. We in Sweden have managed quite well, but it has still been around 30 degrees Celsius and really humid. We aren't really used to this heat, so it takes a little time to acclimatize. You have to drink plenty of beer, you know, to get through it. Luckily, I found some beer here, 2 of them, actually. That makes it much easier right away. Have a great time, everyone. Have a nice day, and thank you. Bye.